Hello everyone. Today I am going to show a method overriding. First, I have to show some core concept of method overloading. Four basic concept is there. Method name should be same. Method parameters should be different, and the return type also should be same or different. And method overloading is the static polymorphism and early binding. Early binding it means JVM is responsible to bind that method in compile time. That's why we are telling a early binding. That's it in method overloading. Now I'm going to show a method overriding. Method overriding base concept is the both method name. It means subclass method name same as a superclass method name, and parameter also same. It means here I am using a default parameter. It means without any parameter, and return type also it will same. It means here I am using a integer type return type, and subclass also I am taking a integer type. And if we are going to talk about access modifier, then first I have to show you some sequence of the access modifier. First private, then protected, then public. This is the sequence of that access modifier. Uh, if you are going to use a public, it means subclass method is public. Then superclass method easily we have to use a protected, no issue, and default also we have to use without any, it means access modifier. And private also it means frequently you have to use. But if you are going to use a protected method in subclass, then superclass method also we need to use a protected or default or private. It's applicable. But if you are going to use a public, then it's not applicable. See, cannot reduce the visibility of the inherited method. And also we are not going to use a, suppose we are going to use a default method in subclass, then superclass also we have to use a default, otherwise private. We are not going to use a protected. It means we have to maintain a priority of that access modifier. That's it. This one is the core concept of that access modifier. And d1 dot speed. d2 dot sorry, a1 dot speed. See, first we are going to use a Ferrari class object and call that particular method with d1 reference. Then it will print a 350 speed. And if you're going to use a simple car class, and then if you're going to call a speed method, then it will print a 110 speed. And one more thing is that method overriding, this is called as a subclass. We are going to create a subclass method. We are going to use a subclass object and superclass reference variable. It means car dd, it means dynamic dispatch. New Ferrari. this I am using a subclass reference variable, sorry, superclass reference variable and subclass object. And here if you are going to use a dd dot speed, then it will print a Ferrari class speed. See, 350. But here one more thing is there. If you are going to use a static method, then this one is the method hiding. This one is not a method overriding. And in that scenario, it will print a superclass method. It will call us only superclass method, not a subclass method. See, 110. It's called a superclass method. It means a static keyword is not applicable in method overriding. This is called as a method hiding. And now I am going to write some core concept of method overloading. Sorry, overriding. Method name must be same as super class method, and subclass method parameter must be same as super class method meter. And return type must be same, should be same. And static keyword not applicable. This is called a method hiding. And that's it. This one is the core concept of method overriding. Thank you. Bye.